Hi people. Do you guys know what's the most annoying sound in the game GTA San Andreas? Well, I know it and I'm going to let you hear it. Okay, be ready. The most annoying sound in San Andreas. What the fuck? Why the crap is this thing so annoying? Listen, goddamn! Stupid pizza boy. Okay, what the fuck? This is a glitch. I'm climbing up a thing. Oh, right, no, not. Jesus is crap, this is so annoying. Okay, I think that was enough. And what the hell is he doing now? Okay, what the hell? His head is... what the fuck? Okay, this is weird, very weird. I don't get it. Okay. Well, enough being annoying right now. I'm going to end this vid. It was just a fun glitch vid thing. Ah well, it was funny anyway. Bye.